Say, only place me eat when me come to eat food, I check out them curry chicken. But you see the banana here, me never ever seen nothing like this yet in my life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look how it's tall. The banana they're about near 4 feet or something. Yeah. So this is, remember me tell you, the best place for food in a Montego Bay. Yaads. See the number there. When I slow down, when I make a put a number there on the phone. So let me tell you, you must book on the flight early and come here, so. And you can just Google it. Why? Because ginger in the rice. And call them the day before when you leave and ask them what them are going to have. Them can even cook something special for you and your family. They do catering also. So if you're staying at a hotel in Mobay, tell them Jamaica Good Life. Give your Jamaica Good Life prices. And tell them to cater and send the food. And have Tyrone deliver the food. They must call Tyrone. And I make them deliver the food for them. So Tyrone on a taxi guy and this on a food place. Remember Sir Randy? So you must see the number, they write it down. So you see when you experience this, I tell nobody to give you enough food when you come on Mobay. Stay at the hotel and then call them and make them prepare your food, special food for you. Depends on one day you come down. And you call Tyrone to deliver it and coordinate it with the brother also. So I give one of the best Jamaica experience. You see the pork, amazing. You see the chicken, the soup. If you never come on a certain day with the curry goat, it's like say you want to freeze it and send it from the next for it to rot in our box. It's that good. Now call Tyrone 876-781-1422. Him can deliver it for now on our hotel. I remember say Tyrone have the best smokes in Mobay. That is 781-1422. 781-1422. Remember the number there. I remember Yaads. So the taxi is 781-1422. 781-1422. So this is your restaurant and that is your taxi driver. 781-1422. That is Tyrone. Alright, go. This is another thing I like about Yaads. These are the prices. You see, if you don't want to do like a family gathering, you don't have to make him cater for them, especially if you're in Mobay. A $600 cream fried chicken, barbecue chicken at $700. Tripan beans, come here complete at the place at $750. And the stew peas at $850. Theme price them are the cheapest and theme food tastes the best. So, now tell you now, this is a place we call the Robinson guys for the electricity and stuff over there, so. And you can do your oil change and things. So oil change can do over there, so. So the market down there, so Charles Garden Market down there, so. So if you Google Charles Garden Market, it's near to it. But just Google Yaad is YAADY' Jerk Restaurant. So I finally find one, so you know what already. This is Randy. Live up to Sunday. So on the book on the flight early and make sure you call him and say, look, we are flying tomorrow. We need to come eat the food where I have tomorrow. Them can probably cook something special for the family or cook some goat and on a pay feet or whatever. But if you really want to taste Jamaican food in a Mobay or before you go into the country, you need to stop yourself later. Alright people, I tell you, so Yaads, alright, now I'm going to test out Yaads curry chicken. General. Them not disappoint with the curry chicken neither. Soft. You know people are not joking, you know. I don't want to stay out watching no more because of this. No sir. And then I eat hotel food once when I eat this. Down to the bone, I have to crush up. No, sir. Is it the curry chicken? Sir. No, son. Brother.
Why correct?
Hey.
Bad, what you?
Seem that.
Yeah, well, it's my pleasure to provide the best eating meals for you all over the place. It's my pleasure. Take pleasure in watching somebody eating and just enjoying their meals. That's what we do here.
I'm telling them, so they know they want to go OT. Brother, that's the same chef, right?
Same chef.
Very, very good. Real authentic.
We establish our standard and we're not lowering that for nothing.
For nobody.
We just establish that standard's costly, but we try to give somebody
something.
something.
Taste the fried chicken already and it's good enough. You taste the jerk, the curry good.
Good.
And it's great. No good. Great. You taste the pork.
Absolutely good.
Amazing. Now that, yo, me never go a place. I'm cut down on the meat. So when me there watch the jerk pork video, what me do for you? My mouth start run. See him there? Are the country people there? Now where are you from originally?
It's one of the customers coming over food and gonna get anything. It's all finished.
Where you from originally?
Montego Bay, St. James.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Are you same chef do this?
We work together and I help to cook here and there, but he's the chef. He's the man. You know? I'll assist around here or there because I know what I want. But I'm not taking any credit for anything. Chef is a good chef. And I establish the standard, he follows. Once we have compliance to what we want, we get it every day. Wow. We're not perfect, but for the most part, you will get the same standard.
Yeah, I mean, even the yam, you're very selective in your food.
Yeah, and I shop for things like that. I do most of the shopping. So I have to select things that somebody is satisfied with, because you can just buy something out there and maybe a little lower price or so on, and then you don't get the quality you want. So I know what I want because I understand what people want. People want to enjoy their meal. If it is one meal for the day, you want to sit and eat and have fun and enjoy it and think
about it. This is $600. Divide by 145, you look for about $4.50. You can't get that nowhere in the world.
Nowhere, not even here in Jamaica you can't get it. Only me.
You're not going to Hey, when them say Jamaica Good Life, give them a discount to me here. Discount on this one. People, the dumpling got split. I don't me there listen for. If you bite the dumpling and it got split. They don't know that signature there, you know. How you doing today? Banana for you, just finish. The dumpling got split.
So I get the last one.
People, they say the dumpling got split. You want to look good. Some calming on the dumpling. And I come back for the cow. I know some I cut up on the meat, but I'm going to eat chicken. Or one place I eat it. And I had this. No, sir. No, sir. I know some love food. I like the video. Because when you come have the food, I'm going to go to Randy. Lord of mercy. When you talk about Jamaica have crime, Jamaica has some restaurant, you see. I won't bite off your finger. Them have to go shoot me down and capture me. If you know when we found that. Hey! We got curry chicken now. No, sir. Can't run up Jamaica. I had the bone and everything. Lord have mercy. You know, sir, we're up on a health tip, JamaicaHealthBox.com. So when I do eat food, I eat a little bit, and I do my cleanse. But when we do eat, I want to make sure it's the best. I not even cook curry chicken no more. I just buy it from him. $4.50 a day. US. $4.50 a day to eat yourself. No stuff when you come on vacation. Yaads. Rewind the video and check it out. Yeah man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in. Right now it's hot. Hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. It's so hot right now. T-shirt I wear itself. It's hot. jamaicagoodlife.com. Get your shirt right away. Exclusive. We'll pull it off soon. Only exclusive members for the fans. Them what they will do from day one. Hot. Yes, so me as a Randy says so it's hot. Love. It's hot. It's so hot it a blow itself. It's hot.